I guess I was always pondering why happiness kept eluding me. Fortunately, my sadness led me on a spiritual quest, and eventually I became the disciple of the Eastern mystic Osho. With my backpack in hand, I set off to India. And there, I received this tiny bit of wisdom that put happiness in a whole new light. And that tiny bit of wisdom changed everything. So much so that I wanted to share it with you. Being unflappable really just means staying calm and staying somewhat reflective no matter what is coming your way. Yes, you'll walk away with several very useful tools, specifically for how to be unflappable in very practical situations at work, at home, and also dealing with the conflicts in the privacy of your own mind. This book specifically helps you to remove more and more power struggles in your life so your relationships will go much more easily and comfortably. Oh my goodness, yes, I certainly do. My background is in neuro-linguistic programming and hypnosis, and the book is also based on the most modern brain research, which tells you how to use its neuroplasticity to your advantage by harnessing the power of your unconscious mind. The book is based on a model that I created of the psychology of the mystics. Why the mystics? Because they're our best example of people in our own species who actually can remain calm and unflustered in the presence of disturbing circumstances. Meditation isn't something that you have to already be doing to gain a lot of benefit from reading Unflappable. Unflappable will unequivocally help you understand how to be more happy. It helps you identify what you think happiness is and why your definition may not be the most useful. Unflappable started out as a theory based on my work in behavioral change. However, over the years, it has become a precise and proven path to being able to embrace the paradoxes and dilemmas of life, and actually works to practically make your life much better, easier, and calmer, which is what being unflappable really is all about.